Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be teaching how I put in my clip-in extensions and do a Dutch braid on them. And here I have my hand-tied extensions that I turn into clip-ins just throughout this quarantine. And what I have, it's 2 pairs of the 3 clips and 2 pairs of the 2 clips. And you're gonna see that throughout the video on the extensions where the sewing is happening, it's blue. The reason why, it's because I don't know how to make up my mind on the color that I want. So they were blue and I switched them back to a lilac purple. And here I am taking another subsection, which is about 1 inch away from the section that I have made to split both braids. And I section it all the way down, kind of creating a little bit of the curve going against the curvature of the head. And it doesn't have to be perfectly straight because you still cover it with the hairs that you're pulling down into the braid. And then here I'm just adding the 3 clip extension. I try to push it closer to the hairline without it being so visible. And the only reason why I do this is because the extension is pretty long itself, and like I said, it was part of a hand-tied extension. This is what works for me, and I just clip it all the way down. And here I am taking the second section. I am taking it 1 inch above my ear to apply the 2 clip extension. And I'm doing the same thing, the curvature of the ear this time. And then here I am taking the 2 clips and then I am flipping it over so whenever I attach it to my head, it doesn't stick out once I bring up the hair into the braid. And I'm just moving on to the other side and doing the same thing that I did on the previous side. Alright, here we're getting into the fun stuff. We're gonna start doing the Dutch braid. So you're gonna take a piece of hair and separate it into 3 sections. So pretty much what I do is like an under over thing. I start off with the edge, so like the one on the very right hand side, I bring it under, and then I bring the one in the middle over, and then I go on to the other side, which is the left side, bring it under and bringing the one in the middle over. And as you start moving back, you're gonna start picking up more hair from both sides, and you kind of have to be pretty careful with the extension. Kind of brush it with your fingers so the extension does not pop out. And as you can see, once I take the section to bring it up into the braid, I try to brush it through with my fingers. At first it's gonna look a little bit bumpy, but I mean, that's what happens when you're beginning. I still have that happen, but like I said, practice makes perfect. And as you can see, the extension is popping out a little bit, but I usually try to fix that towards the end. I kind of cover it up with my hair and kind of push a bobby pin just to secure it more than making sure it does not pop out throughout the day. And then you're gonna see that the root of the extension does not match with my natural root. That's because I would get bleach retouches, but I haven't gotten any of that done, nor highlights, nor have I rooted the extension. So you're gonna see little pops of purple mix in with my root. And I am aware of that, but it's whatever. Nobody really sees me during this quarantine. So once I get towards the end, I start doing a fishtail braid, and I'll do another video on that one. But pretty much what I do is the same method that I use for the Dutch braid. I just pretty much, the only difference is that I take this strand of the hair and split it into half. And that's pretty much what it is. But like I said, I'll do another video on that one. And pretty much I'm just doing split under over, and just repeating the process till I finish the braid. And once I finish with the braid, I move on to the other side and do the same thing. Take a section, split it into 3, and I bring the left side under, bring it over, move on to the right, bring it under, and bring it over. Just gonna repeat the process as you move back. And remember, once you move back, you pick up more hair. And as you can definitely see, my extensions are popping out. The reason why, again, is because I haven't rooted them, nor have I gotten highlights done or a bleach retouch. But what I do to prevent that, I just bring the hair up a little bit more, my roots, and I just bobby pin them to prevent that from happening or just popping out like that. And here I'm just taking out like the little pelitos in my hairline just because I don't like it to be super slick back. And voila. And here is how I do my Dutch braids with the extensions in. If you guys have any questions, you can go ahead and DM me on my Instagram, either the beauty one, which is Beauty by Blend, or Life of Blend. And thank you guys for watching.